It looks like a big burr. Hello, this is Stephanie, and you've made your way to my channel, Saving with Stephanie J. So, for the month of November, I have got my Ipsy, and then the next order of Ipsy, okay? This is 25, and this is 12. You ready to see what I got? I know you are. All right, so let's do just the regular one first. Set that over here. Okay, it come with this, oh, so cute little bag. And that is like a, would that be cheetah? Cheetah? I don't know, but it's brown and got like pink. Got like a faux suede little tassel on it. This is the $12 one, remember? Okay, let's pull something out of the bag. This is, tells you about it. Here it says 11/25. Today's the day you can pick your first products in your bag. We'll build the rest around it. And it tells you about Black Friday and Cyber Monday add-ons. Tells you a little bit about it. Okay, so let's see what we got for $12. Ba, ba, da, ba. Okay, first thing we've got. Oh, look like somebody stepped on it. This is Verso. Yeah, hydration serum. And it says hydrating face serum with, maybe the smartest serums we've tried. Reading from this. And it says, tip, gently spread a few drops of this light gel serum over your face. Avoid direct contact with your eyes. So, let's, ooh, kind of a milky, a runny, so it kind of runs. It absorbs real nice. No smell. Not sticky. You see, not sticky? Kind of like that. Okay, that's cool. Sit him over there. Reach into the bag of tricks. Lock color locket there. And it's in 4 light buff. Okay, see? Like that, 4 light buff. I don't want you to think 4 F-O-R. It's F-O-U-R. You got me. It says apply a generous layer to your face. Look at this. It's meant to be layer. Layer. Okay. Apply a generous light layer to your face and blend well with a brush, sponge, or fingertips for extra sheer coverage. Warm between fingertips before applying. We'll do it on this side. Let's see if it's kind of close to my skin color. The package don't look like it is. Let's see. Ooh. It is a little dark. Well, not as bad as I thought. It's fairly sheer. There's where I was watching something else. Yeah, I can get by with that. Not bad to drop in your purse to kind of, you know, do the little touch-ups. Not bad. Smells maybe powdery. It's got a scent. Not bad. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, here is one of my things. Delectable. By Butter Balm Hand Cream. This is by Cake Beauty. It's in triple citrus blend butter, balm, and cream. It says massage generously into hands and cuticles daily, or use as, oh, since I just kind of like pulled off, it's got a safety tip. Because I just went to the movies, and I got, yeah. Oh, it make you want to eat your hands. I love everything by a Cake Beauty. Okay, let's put it on this side. Ooh. Oh. You want to eat your arm. Oh my goodness. Oh, wouldn't this smell good on your feet of a night? Oh, Smells heavenly. Yes, it smells of orange, tangerine, and grape seed essential oils. I mean, I love everything by Cake Beauty. I've never found anything bad. All right, let's see what else is in here. Let's see. This is by Lovecraft Beauty. It is a blush, it says. I'm looking down at the thing. It says, swirl your favorite brush into the pan, tap off any excess, and sweep it across the apples of your cheeks in an upward motion. This is in the color, I'm having technical difficulties trying to, okay, wait a minute, hang on, we can do this, we can do it, like Bob the Builder, Joe can do it. Ah, ow. Technical difficulties, I got lipstick all over my hands, ick. Okay, we'll put that, watch it, we'll put it right here. Well, that's a pretty, nice, light, buildable, and it does that real nice. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I love that. Be great to pop in your purse. Okay, that is in the color, that's the color, what? Oscalia, ain't no telling. Oh, last thing is Gigi Gorgeous Touch Up Powder. It says Turnt, T-U-R-N-T, Turnt, Touch Up Powder in Translucent. What? Limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials. Get you glowing on your own terms. Use this translucent powder to set makeup or mattify your complexion for all day. Swirl your preferred brush in this pan, tap off excess, and dust the translucent powder over the skin to set and nix extra shine. Okay, let me see if I got clean fingers anywhere. Would just be a nice setting powder. Let's see. Ooh, does take the shine away. Oh. So you could use that like, see, there's my highlighter. Just about took my highlighter plumb off. Covered a lot. Yeah. Feel like I really needed that since I'm about to go to bed, but see where my glasses were? That's what that is. Okay, I like that. That is good little compact to go in your purse. So all of that, the bag, that, the blush, foundation. This was the hydration serum. That. 15. Okay, that was pretty good. I mean, that was okay. Just saying. Put the little bag up for Jessica. Okay, we're going to dump that right there. Now, let's get into the $25 box. It says, Discover Yourself. It always comes packaged real nice. And this also comes, oh look, one's little and one's just a little bit bigger. Look at that. Now that's nice. Just saying. And it comes with the same little doohickey, just a little bit bigger. Look at that. And I got the train case down here from my Glam bag. Whoops. Throwing stuff. Ultimate. So I got a set. Okay. Here we go. Digging in. Here's the little what for. Tells you about it. Let's set it here so I can tells you about it. Oh, funny. I got another Gigi Gorgeous in this one. Okay, down. With no nails, you can't do nothing. This is named for a YouTube personality, author, and activist. Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection with essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This versatile shade can be worn alone or layered with for a bronzing effect. Okay, so this must be a bronzer. Ooh, it's got the little, you know, thing. Look. Let's just do it like that. There. Look at that. You know, I kind of stink at bronzers and highlighters. Let's see if I could do this fan brush to the darker side. Use it more as a contour. We're looking skinnier already? Huh? Skinnier? Kind of like that for the purse. A stinky contouring. Ooh. It looks better in person than it does on the camera. Okay, I likey that. Let's see. Whoop, what is this? Oh, Punk Volumizer Mascara by Dulce. Let's see if you love false lashes. Whoop, whoop, I do. Then try this mascara. Is for you. It delivers on drama and length without smudging. Oh, I hate the little flaky things. Flaking or clumping from Dulce. Beauty brand formulated by two fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individually through makeup. Tip: start at the root of your lashes and wiggle the brush through your entire length of your lashes. Wait a moment. Then apply a second coat. That looks like a lipstick. Ooh, look at the big fuzzy brush. Almost looks like a paintbrush. Mama likes that. I like that. Okay, let's see. What is next? Bella and... Why don't they just make things in English? I'm just saying. It's a lipstick, I think. Yes, Bella in Argent. Some lip cream. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It looks like it's in this, oops, looks like it's in this color right here. Smoking on screen. 111. Okay. Oh, that's a big, see how big and chubby that is? Ooh. And this also matches my shirt. Ooh. A berry color, like a wine color. Oh my goodness. Let me show you, like, up next to, watch this. Everybody knows what this is. This is a just a you know, one of those lippies, you know? Look how fat that is compared to something like that. Isn't that cool? You see how fat that is? Nice and chunky. There, for a good comparison, you can see that by my hand. And then here's that cream. See? Can you see the difference? Oh, okay. I like that. Ooh. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Ooh. Oh. Does that smell berry? Does that smell like a berry? I don't know. Wear alone or pair with a gloss for added shine. Line your lips with a matching pencil for classic definition. Oh, it is. Ooh. Boop, 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 boop. It's infused with argan and jojoba oils. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. Oh, you smell? You smell? That's got a berry smell to it. I like that. Should I put down? Okay, hang on. We've got to put this on. Hang on just a minute. Hang on. Whoops. There everything goes. I mean, it's berry smelling. Hang on. Get my micellar water out. Okay, hang on. Oops, drippy, drippy. Okay, let's see if I can get this lipstick off. Hang on. We can do it. We can do it. Okay, we got most of it. Okay, we got most of it off. Okay, whoop, I've lost it. Ooh, I almost popped it on my nose. That would have been a catastrophe. Hang on. And tell me what y'all think about the... Ooh. Ooh, it really matches my shirt. Okay, Mama likes that. What y'all think? I like that. And it's not a mat. I get tired of mats. I am just saying. I get really tired of mats. Okay, hang on. Let me get this also off of my hand, because I'll get it all over my pretty shirt. Okay. Okay, 2 more things. This is a dewy stick by Ciel Teflon. And oh no, is that stuff that looks like Vaseline again? Yes, it is. Want a glow that looks a bit like your skin, but better. Okay. This is in, I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Let's put it. Watch this. Kidding me?